Okay, so on here we're at Michael Faulkner's home, and Michael just showing this. What I did is I went ahead and brushed with my brush here this area. I marked out every shingle as I'm going to be pulling this one that's surrounded in purple. Okay, and there's 3 lines of adhesive strips that we have to pull. This is the first one. We had to break the seal here so we can get underneath it so we can pull these nails. Okay, I put highlights where the nails are usually installed. Okay, and so we have to break the seal here also. Okay, so we can pull these nails out so we can release the shingle. Okay, and so in doing so, I had swept off all the granules on here so we could see what might happen when we go ahead and replace this shingle here, which I don't have a compatible shingle right now. So just so that I can take this one, I'll put this one in its place and then I'll reseal it with caulking. I forgot to bring that up, but I'll do that in a minute. Anyway, so here what we did is we went and I pulled by utilizing this low profile crowbar, and I apologize at this point. If I need to come out and do it again, I will, but I was very careful in pushing that underneath, and in doing so I did pull this out. Okay, and so with this coming out, we had some nail pulls. So right here, and here, the nails pulled through as I was slowly trying to get the crowbar underneath. I didn't lift these very high at all, probably less than 2 fingers width height. Okay, and so there's that, along with the backside. This is a Tamco shingle. They haven't made this anymore. This roof was put on in 2000, and you can see right here it says 00. That's when these were put on along with the shingles as far as these turtle vents. And so we have nail pulls here. You can see that one coming halfway through here, and also starting to crack here by pulling the 2 nails out of the shingle, which was above it. So here's this right here. This is not going to reseal because of the granules that are, you can see that are have come off as far as a little bit of material transfer. So I'm going to put that up here. And so now, with that being said, I want to go and look at it here. When I pulled these nails, and this is the one that was on the back side, on the upper part, that was the nail pulled through when I was lifting this up, okay, to get my crowbar under. Okay, so the nails pulled through there, okay, and that was a partial nail pull through. So this shingle was damaged by this, and this one right here came out just fine, and those are the ones I needed to pull out of there. But just to be able to show that this shingle is not repairable, I'm going to also go ahead and put this into place and see what I can do about getting these, hopefully getting these nails in and not having to lift this very much to put in this shingle. So all right, so there we go. Put this back into place. There we go. Okay, so looks like I have that back into place. There we go. Looks like the sun's coming out a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna see what I can do. And the possibility is to do the best I can. I doubt if I'm going to do this very well because I need to set up my phone to be able to videotape this. So let me see what I can do right here. see if that might work. It's probably tipping pretty good, but let's see how I can do this. As I put the shingle back into place, a lot of these granules are coming off as I am on here. Okay, I'm gonna put this one on in the middle. Okay, just so it can hold my shingle into place. I'm gonna do the best I can to decrease the height that I put this. Okay, just so that I can. Okay, so obviously that didn't work. I stopped and have it here, and so I'm putting this in place.